So the decomposition of my conditions for losing the game are a little bit more complicated. So it's an if-then loop, and what's going to happen is if this condition is met, then I will hide. So that's my first command. The sprite will hide some code in sprite, which is a graphical effect from the looks, which means it will vanish from the screen, and the message will pop up, game over, click on the green flag to try again. So the sprite won't be there anymore, so you can't continue playing, and it will tell you the game is over. Now, this is the odd bit here that needs a bit of looking at and can decompose it further. I can see that I've got my lives variable equals 0. So just reading through it, if lives variable is 0, then you say hide and game over. So the hero's lives is 3, so that condition's not been met, so this loop is not triggering. If the lives drops to 0, it will. Now, if I pull this apart a little bit more, you can see that it's made up of a green block, which we haven't looked at much so far, which are called operation blocks. And then I've used the variable inside that. So the operation block has got a something equals to a value, and I've just dropped in that there. So when I say lives is equal to 0, obviously that's an editable block and could be changed, and that's living in there. So that is the game over loop, effectively. That will sit anywhere inside the forever loop. Because it's an if-then loop, it can sit anywhere inside it. I could put these in between, not inside, but in between two of the movement loops. It's just a bit tidier to keep them down at the bottom. It just makes a bit more sense. Some people like them at the top, but keeping them apart from the movement ones is generally helpful and easier to keep track of what's going on.